And I have to say, this is a very lovely Monstera species. Now it's not expensive to get a hold of. I think when I got that cutting of it, it was probably like 45 bucks, but now you can get a nice size cutting for super cheap, much larger than that one that I had. Um, and yeah, just like your other Monstera, this likes bright and direct light. It does not like to be watered a lot. Your Monstera typically like to have their drying out period in between. And so I maybe water this, and granted, we're in the colder months now, so I watered even less, but probably once every 2 weeks is when I water it, and I'll start to notice that the leaves are getting a little shrivelly, and that's when I'll give it a good watering, just like I do with my Monstera deliciosa, which is right to the side of me over there. Recently, I got myself a Christmas gift, and that is a Monstera Thai constellation. Because man, oh man, up until about 6, 8 months ago, those babies were expensive because they're variegated. I mean, they were like several $100s.